9 forecast.
Well, following yesterday's showers and thunderstorms and the rain that we had that lasted well into this morning, we had the fog, and there's a Warren Fault's picture from this morning. You can see the fog certainly prevalent along the Blue Ridge there, and it took a while for that to scour out and the clouds to mix out, but indeed it did, and a pretty nice day. 88 is the current reading at the airport. That's one of the warmer readings. Also for the high at the airport, the air mass is drying out, and that's been the case since the front came through early this morning, so not as humid. Temperature right now in the Shenandoah Valley, we find 82, touching 84 for a high today. A light northerly wind. Dew point now's dropped into the lower 50s, so it will be a comfortable overnight. We've got 84 in Madison, 82 right now in Palmyra, 86 in Livingston, 81 in Waynesboro, and we'll see temperatures again tonight for many of us in the low 60s, and yes, there will be some 50s around. We still see the back edge of the front with some high clouds that are down across Hampton Roads, but most of the rain along the mid-Atlantic is offshore. Now, it's a different story across New England and down across the Carolina coastline back into Georgia. I'll show you that in a moment. But temperatures here tonight with a little bit drier air should generally range in the low and mid 60s across central Virginia and some upper 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. Now tomorrow is a seasonable day. 90 is about our average daytime high here for early July. The humidity is still low, but again, upper 80s to low 90s here for Tuesday. Now, as we move into Wednesday, lower 90s, the humidity will start to creep back up. You'll notice it even more so on Thursday, and then that's when we reintroduce the better opportunity for at least some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So trending dry the next couple of days, and then a little uptick of showers and thunderstorms by the end of the week, along with the higher humidity. So high pressure's out to the west. I mean, look at all the real estate void of any rain or storms at this hour, but it's a different story along the coast. So we've had the cold front move through across the mid-Atlantic, but then it's bogged down across portions of New England where the rain continues. I mean, look at the rain still continuing across Vermont, up in New Hampshire, and even back into upstate New York. Devastated by torrential rains with the flooding. I mean, some locations had a summer's worth of rain in about 3 to 4 hours. So bridges washed out, roads washed out, evacuations. You'll see more on nightly news here tonight. And then you farther to the south, the front is bogged down across the Carolinas back into Georgia, so you see more in the way of showers and thunderstorms here. But high pressure builds closer to the region tonight into tomorrow, so some quiet weather. Then it'll begin to slip offshore on Wednesday, and we'll start to see the uptick in the humidity by the end of the week. But fairly comfortable temperatures here at this hour. So in the morning, early, there could be some 50s. There we are around 7 a.m., low and mid 60s. By the afternoon, most of us will top out in the upper 80s to around 90, and we'll do it all over again on Wednesday. 60s to start. Wednesday afternoon, most of us will be in the low 90s. The winds will turn more southerly and southwesterly, and that'll bring in the humidity once again. So for tonight, comfortable, upper 50s to mid 60s across the region. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Another heat wave in the making as we venture into this week. Again, quiet next couple of days, and those storm chances to return by the end of the week. Right now for the weekend, at least some pop-up showers and thunderstorms will hold on to those low 90s. Summer rolls on.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you, Eric. And we